Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a gradebook in Moodle. It's a very simple and easy process and I'll guide you through it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you've already downloaded the Moodle app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, you will see this interface. Here you can enter the URL of Moodle site of your school. Once you enter your URL, you will see a list of sites appearing over here. You can choose your correct site and tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the login page of Moodle site of your school. Here you can enter your username and your password to log into your account. After you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. Now you need to head over to your course section. Here you can see the 3 lines icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. Select My Courses. Now you are in the course page. Here you can see the list of courses. Choose the course where you want to set up a gradebook and tap on it. Once you are in the course page, here you can see the More option. Tap on it. Select grades from the list. It will show you a grade report. In order to set up a gradebook, here you can see the grade report and a drop-down icon. Tap on it. Now scroll down and in the setup section, here you can see gradebook setup option. Tap on it. From here you can set up your gradebook. You can organize your gradebook here. If you want to add any grade categories, here you can see the add option. Tap on it. You can add a new grade item. You can configure its name, its grade type, its scale. You can check all the available options and customize it according to your need. And once you are done, tap on the Save Changes button. You can go through it, and if you are happy with it, in order to finalize and save the changes, here you can see Save button. Tap on it. And there you go, that's how you can set up a gradebook. You can explore through it and rearrange according to your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.